Wondering where to buy a physical Suica card at Tokyo Station? In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find the machine and how to buy one in just a few minutes. This is how to buy a physical Suica card at Tokyo Station. If you're arriving at Tokyo Station, head toward the east side, the Yaisu side of the station. Follow signs towards the JR ticket area. You'll find a wall of ticket machines and IC card charging machines grouped together over here. Look for the machines displaying the Suica logo. Black machine that says Suica? Yep, that's the one. Buying a card is easy. First, select English, then choose Purchase a new Suica card. Next, choose how much money you'd like loaded onto the card. A typical starting amount is between 2,000 and 5,000 yen. Insert your cash, then push the receipt button if you want a receipt. Wait a few seconds while the machine prepares your card, then collect your new Suica card and receipt. That's it, your Suica is ready to use. One quick tip before you go, if you have an iPhone and a non-Visa credit card, you might prefer to set up a digital Suica in your Apple Wallet instead. That said, many visitors still prefer a physical card, especially families, children, and Android users. Now that you've got your physical card, you're ready to ride trains, subways, and buses all over Japan. And did you know you can use your Suica card to make purchases in so many different places, like taxi cabs, convenience stores, and more? We've got a whole video about that too. Click the link to learn more. Be sure to subscribe for more travel tips and check out InsideKyoto.com and ChrisRowthorn.com to get the most out of your time in Japan.